In this video, we will quickly learn about India's largest floating solar power project. Where is it located? It was commissioned by the National Thermal Power Corporation at Ramagundam in the Peddapalli district of Telangana. What is its capacity? It is a 100 megawatt floating solar power photovoltaic project. It converts solar energy into direct current electricity. The semiconductor material inside the photovoltaic cell absorbs the photons carrying solar radiation and generates a flow of electrons, thereby generating electricity. With it becoming fully operationalized, the total commercial operation of floating solar capacity in the southern region has surpassed 200 megawatt. How large is it? This solar plant is spread over 500 acres of the NTPC's reservoir. Let us talk about the advanced technology deployed in it. The solar modules are placed across 500 acres on floaters. These floaters are manufactured with high-density polyethylene material that keeps floating irrespective of water level fluctuations. Also, the presence of water underneath keeps them cool, which increases their efficiency. The entire spread of 500 acres having 100 megawatt capacity is divided into 40 blocks, each having a capacity of 2.5 megawatt. Each of these 40 blocks consists of a floating platform and an array of 11,200 solar modules. We connect multiple solar panels together to produce higher voltages. The floating platform consists of an inverter, transformer, and high-tension circuit breaker. The photovoltaic cell will convert solar radiation into direct current. The inverter will change the direct current to alternating current. The transformer will be used to increase or decrease alternating current voltage in the circuit. As the name suggests, the circuit breaker will shut off the electrical circuit when too much current is flowing. All the electrical equipment has been set up on floating ferrocement platforms. Ferrocement is a construction material that consists of cement mortar and small diameter wire meshes placed uniformly throughout its cross-section. You can understand it as a versatile form of reinforced concrete. Concrete blocks are placed in the balancing reservoir bed. Special high modulus polyethylene ropes are used to anchor the entire floating system to these concrete blocks. The generated power reaches the switchyard through underground cables. We can mount solar farms either on the ground, which is the traditional method, or set them up on the surface of water bodies. Among these two, the floating solar plants are a bit more expensive. However, they are more environment friendly. But how? Floating solar plants help in water conservation. Due to the presence of floating water panels, the evaporation rate from water bodies is reduced. Moreover, there is a minimum land requirement in case of the floating solar farms. It eliminates the cumbersome land acquisition process for installing photovoltaic panels. Solar plants enable us to avoid the consumption of polluting coal. This project will help us reduce carbon dioxide emissions by up to 0.21 gigatons per year. Today, we learned the basics about India's largest floating solar power project. Thank you for your time.